Good morning, everyone. Blake Potter here at Bell Camper Sales. Hope everybody had a great weekend this weekend. I got this new 2024 Rockwood Mini Lite 2513S. If you're looking for a couples trailer with an outside kitchen and a big rear bath, then look no further. This is the one for you. Follow me and let me show you this thing real quick. We'll start on the outside here. Of course, the Rockwood's got your solid front cap with LED light, your rock guard down below there. They come with the two 30-pound bottles either, get you a little more propane while you're out camping. Got your pass-through storage up here with the new slam latches. It's got the griddle side tables that come with it. Stab jacks down there. It's got your awning, almost the full length with your frameless windows still. Got your spot there for your flat top griddle. All Rockwoods will come with a flat top griddle. This one also has the outside kitchen area with your 2-burner stove, fridge, and sink. Also, Rockwood's one of the only ones we carry with independent suspension and tire pressure monitor system. Real nice feature. Don't have to worry about your tires blowing and messing up your skirting. Still has the full walkable roof with a backup camera prep. Got the fold out there for the grill if you want to put a grill on the back of it. Over here you got your slide with your theater seating on the inside. It is a 30-amp service. Got another slam latch there as well. It's the outside of the 2024 2513S. Now follow me to the inside of this unit. Here we go inside the Rockwood Mini Lite, the 2513S. Walk into your living / kitchen area. Got your theater seating there, directly across from your flat screen TV. Got your kitchen over here, big sink, Magic Chef oven still. Got your microwave up there, solid countertops. A little extra prep station there if you want to fold that up. Charging station in your theater seating. It does have the new 12-volt fridge that runs off the 7-way of your truck or your solar panel. Got a lot of storage there. You come to the back here, you got a huge back bathroom. Walk-in shower, skylight up there. Got more storage over here, and of course that dead space under there is your outside kitchen on the outside. Come up front for the master suite. You got your wardrobe slide, huge closet there, queen bed. Nice front windows, got blinds if you don't like people seeing in. And that is the inside of the Rockwood Mini Lite 2513S. Well, that concludes the Rockwood 2513S. I hope you all like that one. Come on down here to Bell Camper Sales, ask for Blake Potter, or I'll get you camping. Thanks for watching.